Mrs. Gonzales, you use this leave-in cleanser?
Yes, I do.
We want to compare Comet with your cleanser.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this sink has tough food stains, pot marks, and cooking grease. You pick either side you use the Comet on.
All right.
How's the Comet working?
Fantastic.
Okay, let's clean this side with the same amount of your cleanser.
Right.
How's your cleanser working?
The same pressure doesn't get it.
What's that?
The same pressure doesn't get the stain out.
Well, you did the test. Tell me what you think.
Well, I'm red-faced.
Why?
No, I really am. It's unbelievable.
Well, do you still think your cleanser is better?
No, it's not. Comet is better.
Really?
It really is.
Well, you don't have to tell me that just because I'm here. We want your honest opinion.
Well, look, I did it with my own hands. And I'm the one that applied the pressure, really. What I did...
Comet does clean better. It can change your mind about cleansers.